Welcome to the latest edition of news at NWU, your window to what's making headlines at our Northwest University, where curiosity leads. Living out core values isn't just encouraged at the NWU, it is celebrated. On the 22nd of May in Rustenburg, the university hosted its annual NWU Media and Organisational Citizenship Behaviour Recognition Awards, acknowledging those who go above and beyond as ambassadors for our institution. Each recipient received a trophy and a cash prize for their contributions to building the NWU's image both within the university community and in the broader public sphere. On the 19th of May, the Vanderbijlpark campus hosted a distinguished public lecture on European Union South African relations, featuring Her Excellency Mrs. Sandra Kramer, EU Ambassador to the Republic of South Africa, and Mr. Felencio Garrido Reith, EU Deputy Ambassador. With the shared motto of United in Diversity, Ambassador Kramer reaffirmed the EU's support for South Africa's G20 priorities of equality, diversity and sustainability. Prof. du Plessis, Vice Principal and Deputy Vice Chancellor for Teaching and Learning, grabbed media headlines with her rebuttal of comments that there are too many public universities and that most of them should be closed. Prof. du Plessis stated that public universities are not merely educational institutions, they are engines of social mobility, redress and transformation. With champions such as Prof. Linda, public universities will continue to fight for an exemptional cause. One of the world's most cited African scholars, Professor Toyin Falola, received an honorary doctorate from the NWU. Prof. Falola received the degree in recognition of his academic achievements, global influence, and decades-long public engagement that has shaped African historical discourse across continents. Thank you for joining us for this edition of News at NWU. Join us again next time as we look at how the NWU is shaping our country's future by exploring new ideas and possibilities. It all starts here.